Question number 10. Determine algebraically whether the function is even, odd, or neither. So the previous question asked us to determine the given graph as even, odd, or neither. But in this case, we are going to investigate the graph or the function itself in terms of algebra. So meaning we're going to define the function, to investigate the definition of the odd or even function. So what is our definition for an even function? So f of x is even, okay? F of x is even if and only if and only if means that it's a strong premise, okay? If and only if f of x is equal to negative, or rather f of negative x. But to make your assumption really appropriate or accurate, you have to look at the exponents first. So you have to take a look at the exponents, evaluate the exponents. If the exponents are even, if exponents are even, then most likely f of x is also even. So in this case, our f of x is 4x cubed. The exponent given there is only 1, which is the exponent of our x, and it is 3, so it's raised to 3. So our exponent is odd. So could we just throw away the, what do you call this, the hypothesis that if exponents are even, then most likely f of x is also even? We could actually test, we could use this test, okay, to further confirm our assumption or our hypothesis. So what is our f of x? It's 4x cubed. What is our f of negative x? This is equal to 4 times negative x cubed, and that will give you negative 4x cubed. So our f of x is not equal to f of negative x. Therefore, the function is not even. So not even. Not even. Okay, because this is not even, we have an option that this might be an odd. So this one is not even, because the hypothesis f of x is even if and only if f of x is equal to f of negative x is not satisfied. So let us investigate whether it is odd. What does the odd function define? So f of x is odd. If and only if f of negative x is equal to negative f of x, and also if exponents are odd. If exponents are odd, then most likely f of x is also odd. So let us investigate. Our f of x is odd because, or rather, our f of x is equal to 4x cubed has an odd exponent. So it has only one exponent, which is 3, and 3 is odd. So that gives us a very strong impression that f of x might be odd. So let us get, we already got f of negative x here, so we don't need to duplicate the computation or the evaluation. So let's get negative f of x. What is our negative f of x? Just get the negative of the function itself. So this will equal to negative 4x cubed. So since our f of negative x is equal to negative f of x, then our function is odd. This gives us an odd function. So our answer is letter B.